Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu salwa sendoda lesogogo bathi nembatha isihlokwana sanamhlanje sikhuluma ngoqina, sikhuluma ngokubethela, sikhuluma ngokulungisa isimo segceke nokuyilungisa isimo sakho. Abantu abaningi bayebabuze ukuthi wesalwa sendoda uma vula kuvaliwe kubaluleke ngani ukuthi njalo ngonyaka sibethele ekhaya futhi njoba adusho salwa sendoda ukuthi ubusika isona sikhathi esihle sokubethela. Yes, ngishilo phambilini ubusika isona sikhathi esihle sokubethela because ebusika kulana isikhanda khona imithi yokubethela sibiza ngokuthi staff sokubethela. Kula sihlanganisa khona sinamandla istaff nezikhonkwane ezifakwe ebusika compare to ikhonkwane nestaff esididiyelwe noma esithakwe ehlobo, because of ehlobo isikhathi silightning, isikhathi lana kufanele ukuthi izinto mayivuka, izinto lezi abathakathi abayisebenzisayo mayivuka zikufice wena usafe. So it is very important. Kwaba khona umunye umlaleli uthi umunye umbukele uthi gogo inkinga yami iyodwa, sengikhathele ukugezwa. Njalo mangiye emuntwini ngitshela ukuthi fanele ngigeze qala, njalo mangiye emuntwini fanele ungitshela ukuthi egceke lasekhaya lingcolile. Kungenzeka ukuthi ke igceke lakini ingcolile because of izolo last week bokhona umuntu ozolungisa igceke, akusho ukuthi lo gceke ulungise kahle. Kwesinye isikhathi umuntu uyafika nekhwama zakhe alungise libe lihle igceke libe right, but uthola ukuthi inkinga manje isemsamo ngenxa ukuthi umsamo wakini awulungisiwe ngendlela right. Abakini bayanqaba ukukusiza, abakini bayanqaba ukukuvikela. Lokho kukodwa kuyenza ukuthi ama efforts eninawo womuntu osiza egcekeni noma nithi nilanda umthandazi noma nithi nilanda inyanga kodwa kuyayifanela. It's because kwesinye isikhathi one, ikhonkwane zakhe lo muntu loyo vele zilula. Two, ngenzeka ukuthi inkinga ikunina emsamo. So when it comes to issue yokugezwa awukwazi ukuyibalekela ishogeza. Engani ngani zakho ukuthi siyageza every day. Uyavuka ekseni ugeze every day so that you are fresh for that particular moment. If ever you go through a day ku busy uyajuluka wenzani, you take a bath again before yolala. Why? Because of asigezi ngoba sithanda amanzi. Ngiyizwa abantu bathi hey mina amanzi ngiyawathanda. Mean it's not a matter of ukuthanda amanzi, it's a matter of ukuthi it's a must ukuthi ngigeza. It's not that ukuthi ngafunga ngithi hey mina ngithanda amanzi nje amanzi ngizwana nawo cha, but it's a must. It's necessary for me, it's required for me ukuthi ngigeze. Why? Because of ubuklini benza ukuthi umzimba ube fresh, benza ukuthi unganukela abantu kakhulukazi mosebenza ngabantu. So when it comes to gezwa komuthi, umuntu omunye usuke egeza njengala ekhaya kusalwa sendoda, thina suke sigeza ngoba asikwazi ukuqala usase neinsebenzo zomunye umuntu, asikwenzi lokho. So uqina ugezwa, it's a standard procedure that we are using. Don't go to umelaphi wendabuko ufike umtshele ukuthi hey kade ugezwa hey amabhavu ungawalokhuzani wabala in. Then don't you think ukuthi inkinga kahle kahle now is not a matter of ukuthi awutholi usizo kubalaphi wendabuko, because abanye abantu challenge that we are facing, kunabantu abathawuthayo. Wherever lazwele khona ngomuntu omusha sekakhona, whenever lazwele khona umuntu omusha sekakhona, awukaqedi ichibi lo yamthandaza aduye kuye last week, but usuzwe ngasalwa sendoda usuyagijima esalwa sendoda. Then ngafika komunye umuzi sizokwenza ilathi basolenzele endlini yangenhla, masuke endlini yangenhla bogcwele imithi. I was very pissed off ngithi hawu lo muntu ungifihlela kanjani ukuthi kanti nayo umelaphi wendabuko, kanti hayi ukuthi umelaphi wendabuko imithi ehamba ayithathe emzini yabantu. Ngithi bokungathi kusemakhosini iyanyanga thizeni yasemandulo yonke imithi igoqe ngamaphepha phansi, kanti umuntu imithi elandela okhuza uyibhalile unenetbook ukuthi umuthi wesichitho ula nguthathe kumagumede ini ngithathelana. Lokho awuzukukusiza mawuzoqala iprocess entsha nomuntu lokhuzana omusha omtholile umelaphi wendabuko eGoli, eGiyane, eMozambique and everything. Make sure ukuthi uhamba uya kulo muntu loyo usuthathe yonke into lena ela ekhaya wahamba woyishisa noma uhamba woyilahla, so that uzoqala phansi impilo entsha. Salwa sendoda mavula kuvaliwe uthi it is necessary ukuthi njalo ebusika ubethele ekhaya. Lokho kuyosiza hayi wena wedwa kodwa kuyosiza nomndeni wakho at large. And most importantly kuyosiza wena because isona sikhathi ongasdiarize even on your diary ukuthi wena ilifi yakho mhlambe ye 5 days uzoyithatha during I winter. Why? Ufuna izinto zakho ufuna ukuthi masebethelwe ekhaya maqeda wona agcatshwa nanika treatment ube nesikhathi ukuthi udle treatment yakho ungaphazamisa ilutho. We are lockdown manje for 3 months, but there are people abalokhu becula iculo elithi ngifuna ukulungisa ekhaya, ngiyabona ekhaya ukuthi konakele, ngifuna ukulungisa ekhaya, ngiyabona ekhaya konakele. Iculo umchilo wesidwaba umuntu akakwazi kwenza usebanjweni lo muntu lona usubanjwe ke manje yena ilebuthakathi obukhona vele esimeni seceke. That's why phela u3 months uhlele ekhaya imali ikhona kodwa uyahluleka njena even nokulanda umthandazo ukuthi hayibo awusiniki ichibi awusenzele iwasho sithi ukuthela la egcekeni sibone ukuthi la egcekeni ungenzakalani. Kungene nje ku treatment kuthi kuphela u3 months. There's two guys from Eastern Cape. Tema qala nje I lockdown they've made sure ukuthi they come, they got their treatment and everything. Now izinto zabo zibahambela kahle. Why? They had all the time. Fane bahlale ekhaya, they had all the time yoqhuma, yoqhatha, yokuncinda, yokugeza, yokwenza yonke into umuntu osuke inika instruction yakho. Why? Because lo muntu lo ucommitted ukuthi protect ilife yakhe, ucommitted ukuthi protect ifamily yakhe, ucommitted ukuthi protect umuzi wakube. Sarkwasendwa mavula kuvala emzini amadoda. Website yethu ithi www.bathinembatha.co.za bathinembatha.co.za. Inkosi ithela umuza Maluju.